Question number second, they have asked you to which of the following is an analogy. Do you know what is analogy? Whatever the question, whatever the thing, the structure of the passage is there, the same you have to replicate in the answer. So whatever the structure of the passage, you have to replicate is with the answer options. So the answer for the second one is the first one, that is correct. If the author has come up with the analogy refers to whatever, like suppose if I give you a very simple example to remember this one. Suppose if I say this is x is equal to x square, right? So my question is there, what will be the structure of y? So the structure of the y will be y square. Whatever the pair, whatever the structure is of this particular question, the same structure will be followed in the next one. So whatever the structure of the passage is, the same structure will be of the answer options. That is called the analogy. So you have to replicate the passage in a single line. Coming with the answer, that is the answer option is a 3. Animal fascination with human, ancient or high-tech is universal. And if you look at the first one, the occupation of the wild animals on a planet parallels to that there in the human fancies there. The wild animals of the world have long inhabited the depths of the human imagination, no less than they have occupied the natural habitats of our shared planet. So here you are establishing a relation between the animals and the human imagination. Try to understand this one. So this is a structure. This is a relation between the animals and the human imagination. There is not a human society on earth, however primitive or high-tech, that does not concern itself with animal imaginary, whether the critters are the domesticated or free living. So here, if you read these lines, it says there is not a human society on earth, however primitive or high-tech, right? So you don't have any society on earth, whether it's primitive or high-tech, that does not concern itself with the human, with animal imaginary, right? Imaginary. Whether the critters are domesticated or free living. Indeed, actually, the human fascination with animals is so ancient and so widespread that it seems to be a cross-cultural human universal is given. So basically, if you read this line, indeed, actually, the human fascination, this is the fascination we are talking about, with animals is so ancient and so widespread, it seems to be a cross-cultural human, fine? And if you just compare your third option and second option, it's saying the animal fascination with humans, right? Is the animal fascination with the humans or is the human fascination with animals? What was said in the passage? Was it the animal fascination with the humans or was the human fascination with animals? Hence the answer option third is wrong. This makes my option number first to be right.